Hello folks, welcome to the Rockwood Mountain Garden. Today is Wednesday, July the 28th, I believe it is. It's in the evening. Um, just got through repotting some broccoli and just thought you might like a garden tour. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started by just, this is a view from my porch. I believe this is called Rose of Sharon bush, I believe it is. I believe. Sorry for being shaky. Been a hard day at work. Oh my goodness. Okay. Got my bird bath. And I got my big dinner plate hibiscus. I don't know what the proper name for this is, but I will find it out. I got a pepper plant right here that I thought it had a little disease problem, so I took and separated it out a little bit. Got my front porch a little bit been used. Got my gourds. Now right here, this used to be the fire pit, but I've got other plans for it. Oh, let me show you something. Let's stop right here. Green beans. Look at that. Look at that. Kentucky Wonders. Volunteer sunflowers. Look at my corn right there. It's over my head. Not saying much, but still yet, it's over my head. Getting some tosslings on there. More sunflowers. Got my okra right here. It's coming along. More corn. Here's how I'm doing my seedlings now in the hot part of the summer. This is a water wicking bed. I've got bottles in the bottom of it that holds water. I just got through transplanting okra right here, not okra, broccoli. See this little guy right here? He'll be alright. Alright. Broccoli and cabbage coming along. Some more broccoli plants. Some radish seeds coming along. Butterfly bush. Moving right along here. We'll go down here to the bucket garden. Just stop right here just a second and take a panoramic view. I got cucumbers in a barrel. Making leaf mold right here in this container. Cucumber in a bucket. Strawberry patch. Comfrey plant. Doing good. I got my tomato crop. Nothing to brag about. Peppers looking pretty good. Onions are doing pretty good. In the buckets. Let's just move right along on around. Got some lettuce coming on here. Sweet potatoes. Yeah, my tomatoes. Won't talk about them. Got pepper here. Matter of fact, I need to pull this one off because it's getting past. Actually, it's got a little damage right there, but that'll be alright. More cucumbers. Peppers. Volunteer tomatoes coming out of my compost garbage bin. I'm just letting them go. Little cherry tomatoes. And my cucumber barrel. I got zucchini, cucumbers, and squash raspberries, grapes. Moving right along. Another sunflower there at the gate. More green beans, Kentucky Wonder. More cucumbers right there. Squash, zucchini. Squash, zucchini. As you can tell, we love squash and zucchini. That's okay. The greenhouse right there has been used as a storage shed right at the time. Anyway, hope you like this little short garden tour. If you like it, please leave a comment, like button or whatever. If you don't like it, still leave a comment, because I'm open for feedback, positive or negative. Actually, there's nothing negative. It's always a learning experience. Anyway, if you like it, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the other button. But mainest thing is, I appreciate you stopping in, looking at it. It's not much, but it's me. Thanks again for watching the Rockwood Mountain Gardener, and you have a blessed day.